Hey man, y'all boys came here because y'all want to know how to mix your BandLab song and what the sounding crazy. Now I ain't gonna lie, but I'm the best mixing engineer in this BandLab space, as we can see right here by Google. Who is the best mixing engineer in the BandLab community? Manihurst is recognized for top tier BandLab mixing. So I don't want to hear nothing. So the debate right now. So get your popcorn. We finna break this whole thing down. I'm telling you, bro. Can't nobody fool me when it comes to this, bro. I'm telling you, guys. Bro, like, who I gonna listen to? Random or me? Come on, bro. Now, for this. Now, I know now. For this, like, I know he's trying to go here, but like, ain't no right way to mix. Mixing is an art, bro. Like, you gotta know what I'm saying. Like, I'm the type, but like, I'm so nice, but like, I know what to do with the vocals, the EQ, the compression of the beat, of all the vocals, the ad-libs before I even touch anything. I'm talking about, like, I'm visualizing all this in my head, but like, this is an art. This is an art. Look. Whoa. So y'all know what he trying to do here? Cause I know what he was trying to do here, you know what I'm saying? So me in my head, I'm thinking, but he trying to get a chorus going right here. So I'm like, I'm finna make this sound like, you know what I'm saying, huge, swole, you know what I'm saying? Like, I finna have it take up the whole stereo of the song. Like, I'm finna make it sound big and powerful, but not to the point it's overpowering the beat. Like, it's still ducked in. I got presets that do exactly that. Bro, go to my website, right? Or go to my website, link in bio. I'm like, but I gotta make this big, you know what I'm saying? I gotta make this sound big. So we go from this to this. Come on, bro. Talk to me, bro. But like, it's all what you want done. Like, bro, like, bro. I'm telling you, bro, like, for that, bro, like, we gonna get to the lead vocals. You see how all this is inconsistent. Everything needs to be the same volume. Or close to it, but like, it don't gotta peak at the exact same dB. So first off, I don't know who told y'all this, but gang, stop duplicating y'all tracks, bro. These are not duplicates. These is different takes. These are different takes. Stop duplicate. See, like, y'all listen to people that don't know what they talking about. Stop duplicating tracks. Bam. Bro, like, that's just gonna cause phasing issues. But y'all gonna listen to the light skinned dude singing in the mic on TikTok. They got no credentials. That's at the same level as y'all, but y'all won't invest in a $50 mix for me when I got a playlist on Spotify, 2 hours long, 40+ songs. In 4-5 months. I'm talking about, I'm dishing them out. Look. Everybody be mad at me. First of all, it's be crazy. Now, for the beat. Marinoa. See, like, sometimes, well, like, you gotta look at how the producer mix the beat, cause like, this is a 2-track. So depending on how the producer mix the beat, that's how you gotta go on about the vocals. So I'm like, bro, like, the 808s is real heavy on this beat. I'm like, the 808s is real heavy. You know what I'm saying? Like, as y'all can see, but like, this is the melody. This is, bro, these top parts, these spikes is the 808s. I'm like, bro, like, I gotta level this beat out, bro. I gotta level this beat out so the know what I'm saying? Like, so the vocals could kind of stand out so it don't get drawn out by the 808. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta even this beat out. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you could use compression to do that. I'm also like, since the 808 is so heavy, but like I gotta use kind of a saturation, kind of some sort of saturation to bring the elements that the 808 is kind of overpowering to like push it up more. You know what I'm saying? Bro, like, and this is all beat work. But like use some saturation to kind of push them elements that's getting lost, kind of push to the front a little bit. Like, kind of use a transient shaper to kind of bring down the peaks, you know what I'm saying? So everything, you know what I'm saying, is kind of sitting, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see, like, this beat is not dry, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, it got this, like, you know what I'm saying? Bro, like, it's all depends on the vibe.
Everybody be mad at me. Like they took a turn, go watch a flip realities. If I had the power to enter earth, I swear it'd be a tragedy.
But like, I'm thinking like, bro, like, I gotta make the lead vocals, bro, like, because it's not no ad-libs for real. Like it's ad-libs in one section, but in terms of the whole song, it really ain't no ad-libs, bro. So I gotta be like, bro, like, I gotta,
everybody be mad at me.
I'm like, bro, like, I gotta make these lead vocals sound, you know what I'm saying? Like same with the chorus, but like, I gotta make this sound big and buff. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people cut 15 dB out the lows. And then, bro, the vocals don't sound cohesive to the beat, bro. Like, everything, bro. Regular people shouldn't be worried about the mix. You know the mix clean when people could just vibe to the song. Like, they're not just looking like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying?
Everybody be mad at me.
I'm like, alright, but I gotta maybe like compress the beat around. I gotta compress the vocals at like 2 to 3 dB. You know what I'm saying? I gotta bring up saturation so I can kind of push the vocal to the front so it don't get overpowered to the 808 a little bit. Kind of increase the transients a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, stack a couple reverbs a little bit. Stack a couple reverbs a little bit.
Go watch a flip realities. If I had the power to,
you know what I'm saying? Like, bring the lows down, like,
the earth and bring the flames. I'm in the center. I'm just
like, I'll bring the lows down like about 2 dB and kind of build them back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, with the highs.
Everybody be mad.
Too much highs, especially for this beat. Considering this beat don't really have much highs. Bro, like, the vocal.
Everybody be mad at me.
Everything gotta sound cohesive.
Everybody be mad at me.
Like, bro, I gotta make this sound crazy. I gotta make this sound.
In the earth,
you know what I'm saying? Boom, Can here, and this is what we got.
So nowadays, everybody be mad at me. Like they took a turn, go watch a flip realities. If I had the power to enter earth, I swear it'd be a tragedy. Ignite the earth and hell the flames. I'm in the center. I'm just smiling casually. No, they don't never got your back. Rip the wind straight out my back. I'm smoking blast, no lungs attached. I keep it true, no, that's a fact. I gave him trust and get it back.
Come on, bud. Come on, but y'all gotta tap in. Y'all gotta tap in with $50 mixing. With the $50 mixing. If you really want to go big, you want the song to sound its best. Bro, invest $80, bro. Like, y'all would spend $80 for a haircut. Y'all spend $80 on weed, but y'all can't spend $80 on something you trying to go big in, bro. Come on, bro. Even if you don't got the 80, bro, like, I could blend the song for 50, but if you want it sounding crazy, bro, we invest that 80. But and if you don't got the 80, boom, we got lead vocal presets. We got lead vocal presets right here for this song. For this song, I'll probably pick the little TJ preset. No, I'll probably pick the Skrilla preset for this song. For sure, I'll probably pick the Skrilla preset. Now we finna go here to the middle section of the song. Let's play Only Bud. Like, you gotta see. Hello. Same thing. No, I'm saying, like, but like, he trying to, bro, like, his goal obvious is like, but like, you know, the people in fat football games, basketball games or something like that. I think it's like that where people be like, Oh, and everybody moving side to side like this. Telling you, that's how you gotta look at it. Now, these ain't stacks. You know what I'm saying? Like, these ain't, you know what I'm saying, stacked up in three, you know what I'm saying? Like, these is singular, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, but I gotta make this big. Actually, no, I gotta be able to make this. But I gotta make this part feel like it's floating. Like, I gotta make it feel like it's floating. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, you shouldn't even notice it unless you looking for it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make it look like it's floating within the beat. You know what I'm saying? And here's what we got. And I got ad-lib presets that do just that. Y'all really gotta lock in.
I could turn around and shake a nice step in my back. All day I rolling up again. Smoke so much, don't understand. I'm at your heart, girl, let me in. It's too much pain, I can't pretend. I'm going on drug, can't comprehend. My thoughts be spinning like a fan. No, they don't never ask what's wrong. I be in my
bro, you see, bro, come on. Y'all gotta tell you, boy. Y'all boys gotta tap in, man. I'm about to break my head, bro. Y'all gotta tap in, man. I be grinding, bro. I'm grinding in this room every day. Just to make y'all up, bro. Just to bring y'all up, man. I'm trying to, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm the best, bro. We just ask Google. Ask Google who the best. Come on, bro. But like, I'm the face in this BandLab community, man. I'm out, man. Come on, bro. Like, y'all go run this video up, man.